Ahead of the by-polls, Manthan begins in the Congress camp. Key meeting taking place. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge is going to chair the meeting. The leaders have started arriving at the AICC headquarters. Kharge to review reports from these leaders. So the reports that will be submitted are going to be discussed. Mallikarjun Kharge, the president of the Congress party, is going to go through these reports. Leaders have started arriving. We have some reactions lined up as well.
आज स्टेट लीडरशिप से हम लोग वापस से मिलकर और रिपोर्ट बनाएंगे। हमारा प्रयास जल्दी ही रिपोर्ट बनाकर और सबमिट करने का है। नहीं, ये हमारी सीक्रेट रिपोर्ट बनाने का हमारे को मैंडेट है और सीक्रेटली हमको बनाकर और पार्टी को देना है। कोई बदलाव भी दिखेंगे सर आने वाले? नहीं, जब मैंने ये इसका उल्लेख किया कि ये सीक्रेट रिपोर्ट है तो उसमें क्या उल्लेख किया गया वो मेरे अधिकार क्षेत्र में नहीं है डिस्क्लोज करने का। आगे संगठन कैसे मजबूत हो, कलेक्टिवली कैसे हम लोग आगे बढ़े, ये हम लोगों की अप्रोच रहेगी।
जो सार है वो बेहतरी की दिशा में क्या निर्णय लेने चाहिए कि आने वाले समय में छत्तीसगढ़ के नागरिकों के लिए कांग्रेस के संगठन के माध्यम से, कांग्रेस के प्रतिनिधियों के माध्यम से हम कैसे बेहतर से बेहतर योगदान कर सकते हैं। अंततः अगर हमको सरकार में एक जिम्मेदार प्रतिनिधि बन के आना है तो क्या कमियां हैं या क्या हमको करना चाहिए छत्तीसगढ़ के नागरिकों के हित के लिए, और वो कमियों को पहचान के हमको दूर करना है।
Niyamika is joining us with more details. Niyamika, of course, ahead of the by-polls, the Manthan has begun. But this time around, the focus is on reviewing performance of the state leaders and in charges. A report will be submitted and Mallikarjun Kharge is going to take stock of that. States with poor results will face scrutiny. That's what we are picking up. So this is a high-level meeting which includes Pradesh Congress Committee presidents, state in charges, general secretaries. Niyamika is with us in the broadcast. Niyamika, take us through the developments.
Well, yes, this meeting is now going to be started as the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has arrived there. Just before that, the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has also arrived here at the AICC headquarters. As this is the first meeting, such a big meeting which is being called by the Congress High Command after the Lok Sabha election results, and now it is being told to us by our sources that this is to discuss about the future strategy of the Congress party regarding the demand for the caste census, as this has come in the light of the matter which is related to the caste sub-categorization, and for that reason now today this meeting has been called by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, in which the state presidents in charges and general secretaries are participating. Many of the senior Congress leaders have also arrived here, which also includes the Congress General Secretary in charge of the organization, K.C. Venugopal, Jairam Ramesh, and the state leaders have also included the names of the PCC President of Karnataka, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. Even the former Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Bhupesh Baghel, is also here, as these are the leaders which are being called by the Congress High Command to discuss the issue which is related to caste census, and that's the reason why the OBC leaders and the SC/ST community leaders are also here at the AICC headquarters, which also includes the name of Bhupesh Baghel as well as the Karnataka Minister K.H. Muniappa, because these are the very senior leaders who are a part of the Congress party, and they are going to discuss about the issue which is related to the caste census, because we have seen that how during the general elections campaigning, even during the recently held parliament session, also the Congress party is stick on its demand. Rahul Gandhi has been continuously saying that it is very much
so
necessary.
While future strategies are being discussed and performance of the state is being reviewed, Niyamika, stay on with us. Reports coming